Access Datto locally. In today's video, you are going to learn how to access Datto locally. So let's get started. First, enable local access. Go to Datto partner portal and here navigate to configuration settings. Then select global device settings and go to the option local access control. Tap on it. Turn local access on. Next, find the device's IP address. Locate the Datto device IP on your local network. On a computer connected to the same network, open a web browser. Now here, enter the IP address in the address bar. If multiple devices show up, select the correct Datto device. Now enter your Datto credentials to log in. If you are unsure, contact Datto support for login details. After logging in, use the local UI to manage it. Virtualization restores NAS shares and device settings option. Now, this is how you will be able to access your Datto locally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.